Throughout the Arctic and Alaska, rising temperatures and decreasing snow coverage is causing the melting of permafrost at different rates. This can be a problem because permafrost contains large stores of carbon, and Alaska's permafrost contains rich and vulnerable organic carbon soils. When the permafrost melts, this carbon becomes available for decomposition, which can eventually be released as CO2 or methane. The warming of Alaskan permafrost is a problem for the world as it provides a possibility for significant and potentially uncontrollable release of carbon into the carbon cycle, making it much more difficult to limit an increase in temperatures. This area is vulnerable because much of Alaska and the Arctic contain tundras and boreal forests where permafrost is beneath the ground, and data and modeling suggest that permafrost melting is a positive feedback loop. It is estimated by 2100 global temperature will increase by 0.29 degrees Celsius with a variation of 0.21 degrees Celsius due to positive permafrost feedback. However, with plants growing in higher latitudes in the future and a larger source of CO2, they should partially offset the increased emissions from permafrost thaw in Alaska and surrounding regions. With rising temperatures and loss of snow, boreal forests will move northward, the area of tundra will increase, and the loss of permafrost will blacken the ground, reduce surface albedo, and remove protective vegetation. The impact of this permafrost thaw is expected to impact communities. Inhabitants of the Arctic are considered vulnerable to climate change because of their close relationship with the environment and its natural resources. For example, populations may need to relocate due to a change in the environment because food they rely on may no longer be available as a result of increasing temperatures aided by the melting of permafrost. The people of Alaska and the Arctic are mostly adapting to the situation with technological responses rather than policy responses to battle the melting of permafrost with a variety of other aspects related to climate change.